Hi, hello, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
Are you good prepared for this interview?
Yes,
Okay, so now can we start?
yes,
Okay, firstly, can you tell us about yourself and why you are interested in this position?
yes, of course. My name is Zhang Yuxin. I get a Bachelor of the Construction, Environmental and Energy Use, and now I study in Wollongong for the Master of the Civil Engineering. And I have a long team study of the building construction for student project. It's like the construction project. So, and my professional skill it's a high quality. I think I have the ability to do this position. The reason I am interested in the high performance structure of this position because I think it's related to my major, um, like the both major, like the bachelor major and the master major because my bachelor major is about environmental and engineering use to be save the energy, and I think it's very it's suitable with today's popular things like high performance building. So and the next thing is my bachelor master. My master is major is civil engineering. It's about related building. I think it's very important to control the progress of the product to have to make the high quality performance building. So that's why I'm interested in this position.
Okay, that sounds great. And can you please provide an example of where you have built motivation and cooperation within a team?
Yes, it happened in May 2015. I went through a 4 month project. This project is about the stage design of the road planning, and the member I worked with a different country, includes Indian and Japanese and of course Chinese. So it's that is my first time to work with a player who come from the different culture and different background. So at the work, my teamwork has a lot of problem to communication. I think in the road design, we made a lot of things to deal with, and a lot of the like the plant the tree transplantation. It's like tree to move the other place. So this about this stage of this project, I think it's about legal things and the policies. But members from the different country, they have the different culture. So they believe the different legal things. So that I need to deal with this problem to make them together and to make team to be effective. So first things I talk with them, and I want to consult my foreigner friend to get some idea, and then I talk with them each one, and learn their idea. And so that I ask some group to collect the regulation on plant transplantation, and I research a lot of the law things, and finally I made the plant for the transplant and give it to my each group member. So I think this helped to them to deal with this problem. At last, our team successfully complete this project and deal with this problem. And this is this is example from my work with my team member.
Okay, that sounds good. And the last question is, have you ever encountered a problem which required you to come up with a particular creative solution? And please describe the situation and your solution.
Okay, that things is about my research report. It's about a social study. This task is began in the April 2017, and the list for 8 week. This task prepares a large collection of the literature, and I had studied the large number of literature reports on the relationship between the social status and the economic level. So this level is about the rich people and the poor people and their social status. So I think how to deal with these things. The teacher told us to find a lot of literature, but I think I can be more operative, like to get new methods to research this topic. Like I did the social surveillance, like in internet, to get their idea or the information from the questionnaire. So and I need to develop this questionnaire question. So I connect with performers and the WhatsApp performers to design the question and put them. I contact with the WhatsApp manager and give some question to help them put them on the WhatsApp. And according to the student, I think according to the process, I collect the data and complete reports to combine the attractive actual situation and search a lot of things get a lot of research from the questionnaire in internet. So and then the research report I get a high quality of this this subject. So I think it's I get a new idea to help me to improve my performance. I think this is an example for this question. I hope it's right. I help you.
Yeah, that's good. And do you have any question for us?
Yes, about theory, common theory, and the important thing is business travel. I need to know how many times I need to business travel, and the last thing is car parking, because I need to drive car to company I think it's important to myself and to managing my time. So thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
See you.